Now it's time to put in the motherboard. Here in the base of your case, you will see these sockets that is made for screws to go in. You see them, right? The golden ones. Now, what you have to do is you have to put the motherboard in, and you have to make sure that there are holes in here. Here is one hole, and here's another. It's kind of hard to see, but you will see them. And those holes got to line up exactly over there. I kind of recklessly put this in before, but you have to be very careful. This is all circuits here, so you have to be very careful about how you handle this here. And you make sure that you got to make sure that this one goes in and sits there exactly on top of those golden screws. Okay, I think I got it. So it's time to tighten those screws.